thank you. Where are the girls? Where are the girls? Here we are. Here we are. How are you today? How are you today? We're fine, thank you. We're fine, thank you. Okay, let us count how many are the children today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, there are 10 children present today. Shake up, up, shake down, down. Shake to the left, shake to the right, and put them on my lap. Okay, look outside, children. What do you think is the weather today? You know that aside from the sunny day, we have other weather conditions, and that is our lesson for today. I have here some pictures which shows different weather conditions. Can you help me identify where is the sunny day? Yes, Nelly. Where is the sunny day here?
I think the sunny day is on the top.
Very good. This picture shows a sunny day. During a sunny day, the sky is blue and we feel warm. Isn't it, Mary?
Yes.
Okay. We use a fan to relieve the heat. Okay, children, show me how you use your fan. Very good. How about this one? What is this? This is a sunglass, or this is a sunglasses. Okay, we use this to protect our eyes against the sun rays. Next. For every weather condition you identify, I will teach you a song. Okay, for sunny day, here is the song. There was a time when we got hot and sunny was the weather. S-U-N-N-Y, 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 and sunny is the weather. Okay, children, isn't it good?
Yes, it is good.
Very good, children. Okay, next. Where do you think is the windy weather? Very good. Here is a windy weather. During a windy weather, children can fly kites and the wind is very strong. Like this. During windy weather, we feel cold. So we can wear a sweater and pants. Okay?
Okay.
For the windy weather, we can sing the windy song. There was a time when we were blown and windy was the weather. W-I-N-D-Y, 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 and windy was the weather. Very good, children. Next, where do you think is the cloudy weather? Very good. Here is the cloudy weather. During a cloudy weather, there are more clouds in the sky. During our cloudy weather, we either feel warm or cold. It is not too warm and not too cold. So we can wear a t-shirt or a blouse. For the cloudy weather, we can sing this song. There was a time when there's more clouds and cloudy was the weather. C-L-O-U-D-Y, 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 and cloudy is the weather. Okay. Where do you think is the rainy weather? Very good. Here is a picture of a windy weather. During a rainy weather, there are more rains and the clouds are very dark. Look up, and children or people stay inside to protect themselves against the rain. And also animals. During a rainy weather, we can